This is a $42,207 paycheck I got deposited right into my bank account after about 45 days of work. The majority of people in America would never even see that amount of money in their entire lives, but I'm gonna show you guys in this video how you could possibly replicate the same thing and how this industry completely changed my life. Similar to a 9-to-5, it's just a lot easier to make a lot of money if you have a few key traits. So watch this video in full and let's jump straight into it. So first things first, ChatGPT, and you're gonna wanna search up on in the next 5 years. And you're going to want to find some really exploding content niches for the next 5 years. Okay, so the top niches to create content on from 2025 to 2030 is going to be AI, any sort of high income skill, any sort of app building or micro SaaS, personal finance videos, anything online that is going to be exploding in the next 5 years that content creators are going to be making. And so what you want to do, there's a ton of different options you can choose from. You have body optimization, longevity, peptide content, micro niche YouTube channels, how to get better relationships, creator economy tools and growth, how to grow YouTube channels. There's so many different options that you can choose, but the whole goal is to basically find one of these that you feel like you are already knowledgeable about or you have some sort of interest in already. All right, so I'm going to choose AI right here. I'm going to choose AI business. Write down any sort of topic that you are interested in out of these lists right here. And then the next step is going to be find any sort of creators or content creators that are making content along these lines. So you're going to want to go to YouTube and you're going to want to search up how to start or how to do whatever topic you ended up choosing. So how to start AI in 2026, that's what I'm going to search up. So you can do anything, how to start, copywriting in 2026 or whatever topic you chose, search up how to start blank and then in 2026. And the whole goal is to find some sort of content creators or gurus selling something in this niche, whether it's a copywriting course, whether it's a copywriting mentorship, whether it's a fitness course, anything from A to Z. You're going to want to find influencers that are selling products on one of these niches that I just showed you guys, okay? So this guy right here, Anthony Eclipse, selling how to start AI dropshipping in 2026. All right, so this is a really good niche. He's getting 4.8 thousand views a day. So that's pretty good.
Every year,
so
the dropshipping.
Out of all these videos, the whole thing that you're looking for is that he's actually selling something. So as you guys can see right here, it says apply to work with me one-on-one. And the whole goal of him making this video is to sell his mentorship or course. Now, where do you come in? If you see right here, this is a calendar link. Okay, so the whole point is he's trying to get people to book a call to potentially buy his program. But he's not the one taking these calls on this calendar link. Okay, he hired a sales rep, or right here, you see how it says head executive. That head executive's job is basically be a sales rep on behalf of this influencer. So that's where you come in. That's how I've been able to make so much money is I became a sales rep on behalf of some of these gurus and people selling stuff online because they don't have time to do it. They're too busy making content, etc. So I basically would sit here, take all of these calls that people schedule. So if I were to schedule a call right here, I would be the one taking the Zoom call, collecting the payment, handling their objections, and then selling them into it for commission. The biggest thing you guys want to note right here is that these leads are warm. So the people that book these calls are very interested in whatever topic the influencer is talking about because not only did they watch his YouTube videos, they trust the influencer, and they also fill out all these questions. Have a business partner, how much money do you literally have to invest? It tells you everything about the prospect, and then they hop on a call with you. So it's basically a no-brainer. By the time they get to you, they're pretty much money ready. So at that point, you're basically just a cash collector. And so this isn't the only influencer you could work for. There's hundreds of influencers on hundreds of different topics that you could become a sales rep for. I want you guys to sit down and compile a few different people. So this guy right here, Anthony Eclipse, and then we're gonna do outreach to become a sales rep for these guys. Okay, so Anthony Eclipse, we got this guy right here named
Well, keep everything else out.
He right here is selling a course. So right here it says schedule your free alignment call. So he is also selling a mentorship. So you can write this guy's name down right here because we are eventually going to do outreach on these people once you compile a few of them. If I had to make money with AI in 2026, let's see if this guy is selling a course or program. He probably is. Full courses right here. So this guy's selling a course, so write this guy's name down as well. So the whole goal is to compile a bunch of people and then end up outreaching them to become a sales rep on their team. But you watching this video, you probably don't even know how to sell, right? First things first is you guys are gonna wanna learn how to sell. So I could sit here and go through an entire sales masterclass, but I've already made a 2-hour video teaching you every possible thing about sales. I've closed over $3 million myself in this industry, so I have a pretty keen idea of how this actually works. It's about 2 hours long, it's an hour and 54 minutes long. I literally break down every piece of information inside this video. I link it down, first link in the description if you guys want to go check that out and really take notes on it. It'll teach you what script to use, how the industry works from A to Z, and how to really prepare yourself to be a closer or be a high ticket sales rep for these influencers. So watch that right after the end of this video. I'm going to teach you guys how to outreach these creators that you just compiled. Once you have a list of creators compiled from A to Z, the next step is going to be going to Instagram. You're going to try to outreach them on Instagram DMs to become a sales rep on their team. You're probably thinking to yourself, these dudes already probably have sales reps, right? And you're 100% right, but a lot of them are terrible at what they do. So if you can come in and you're more well-spoken, you're more talented, and you can do more more work, then they'll probably hire you over the sales rep that they have. Like I said, not a lot of people know about this industry. Very early to this trend, not a lot of people know about this industry yet. So if you're seeing this video, it's really important to take action, learn the skill set as soon as possible, because there's a lot of people learning about this. Like I said, I went from working at a restaurant to making $30,000 to $40,000 a month in commissions, and I have no degree. So it's pretty unreal. So what you want to do to basically get their attention is go to their messages, and you're going to want to DM these people something along the lines of, do you have a mentorship? Okay, so the reason you want to ask this is because you potentially might be a prospect to buy their mentorship or course. They're more likely to open it up and potentially respond. As you can see right here, I sent this earlier. Okay, do you have a mentorship? And nobody responded. So this is a great opportunity that when he does respond, or when he does open it, you can say something along the lines of, hey man, I messaged you a few hours ago, no one got back to me. If that was a potential prospect, you might have wasted a lot of money. So I'd love to basically go in your DMs, close all the deals with people that want to buy your mentorship, because you might be missing out on a lot of money by not doing this. So this is a great way to kind of get your foot in the door and just kind of prove to them that not having you as a sales rep is probably losing them a lot of money. This dude didn't respond, so I'm going to go to the rest of the people and try to outreach them myself to potentially get him to open the message, and then you're going to pitch yourself as a sales rep. So you have to get pretty lucky, because I'm sure a lot of these people's DMs are flooded, but if you do it the right way, they're not only going to hire you. The whole goal is for you to make these people more money as a sales rep. They just want to make sure you're well-spoken, you're willing to work hard, do better than the person who's on their team already. You want to do this, and you have to be persistent, right? To really do this the right way and land an offer with a really, really big influencer, you have to outreach a ton of different influencers. Right? So do this relentlessly, do this persistent. You should probably be anywhere from like 20 to 50 different influencers every single day on YouTube, and you should be relentlessly DMing them once you learn the skill set of sales to potentially be a rep on their team. Okay, which I did this earlier, and I actually got someone to open one. So this dude right here, I said, do you have a mentorship? He said, hey, thanks for taking the time to reach out to you. May I ask you a couple questions? It took him about an hour to respond to this first original message. So I could send him a quick video. I'm going to teach you guys how to do that. You want to send him a quick video of yourself saying that, hey, I reached out about an hour ago, and it took an entire hour for someone to reach back on you on your team. You might potentially be losing a lot of money by not having someone respond instantly. But that being said, I'd love to hop in, potentially be a commission-based sales rep to basically help you close all the deals that are in your DMs and on your booked calendar, help your business make more money. So I'll give you guys an example of a Loom video that one of my students made inside of my program. And this specific student right here, after sending out this exact video that I'm going to show you guys, after submitting the Loom video I'm about to show you guys, she got a proposal basically for a $7,000 a month job position as a high ticket sales rep for one of these influencers. So pretty unreal. That just proves, and she had zero experience before this. So it just shows how much opportunity there is in this industry. But let me real quick show you her Loom video that she recorded. So this is a really quick video basically teaching you guys how insane this industry is and how much money you could potentially make if you do this the right way. Obviously, there's a lot more that goes into it. You have to learn how to sell the right way. You have to learn how to memorize scripts. This is a general overview, and if you guys watch this quick 2-hour video, it's going to walk you through absolutely everything you need to do this industry successfully. Like I said, it completely changed my life. I went from working as a server at a restaurant about 15 months ago to making upwards of $30,000 to $40,000 a month in pure commissions, working for some of the biggest influencers in the game. So yeah, hopefully this makes sense. If you guys have any questions on this industry, you can DM my Instagram or comment down below. I will get back to you guys. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. All I talk about on this channel is high ticket remote sales. If you guys enjoy this style of content, please like and sub, as I make super in-depth videos on this channel. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in a few days.